There you go, Gregory. More hills to look at. There's the walk-in movie theater. You know, I never had money really to go in there. But now, I wouldn't go in there if they paid me to because of the coronavirus. I want to be around a place that's packed with people. A couple houses on top of the hill. See if I can zoom in on it. See the house on the hill, another one. Yeah. There you go, Gregory. Perfect location for the radio. Yeah, pine trees. They're beautiful, but they only drop a lot of pine needles. There's nothing bad about them. We got some wind. You look up there, you see some clouds. Some dark clouds out that way. Supposed to get some rain. Got some rain coming. Supposed to rain for like the next 3 days. Yep. Dollar Tree. I really don't care for those little dollar stores. It doesn't seem like you get much for your money. I heard you buy a bag of chips at a 99-cent store or a Dollar Tree, it has less potato chips in those bags. Yep. People are not getting the bargain they thought they'd get. Yeah, the wind is blowing. It'll blow your hat off. You got a hat on. Over there, see what take them out? Real nice. Yep. Oh, there was my hat. That's a hybrid, a Fusion, Ford Fusion. Nice car. Yep. Look at those power lines. Yeah, power lines. Wherever you got above ground power lines, well, you know the history. Storm can knock out the electricity. You really can't depend on all electric car. Nope. Electric can go out for a month. And how you gonna charge your car? And where it snows, you really don't want an all electric car. Anyhow, beautiful lake smell some more. Look at the blue sky, man. It's because we had rain last week.